Trump administration spends $400 million on armored Tesla Cybertruck? Is this a strategic decision or just a controversial deal? Imagine a day when the Cybertruck, Tesla's angular electric vehicle, is not only running on the streets but also appearing in security and military missions. Why would the US government consider investing a huge amount of money in a model that was originally intended for civilians? Is the Cybertruck really capable of replacing traditional military armored vehicles like the Humvee or MRAP? Or is this just a political move? The truth behind this deal will surprise you. Watch until the end of the video to understand whether Tesla is opening a new era for the military industry, or just a risky gamble. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest technology and world news. The Tesla Cybertruck, an electric vehicle with a unique, angular design that caused a stir when it was launched in 2019, is now the focus of a $400 million deal from the Trump administration. The question is, why is a civilian vehicle being considered for use in the military? Is this a strategic decision to upgrade the government's security vehicle system? Or is it simply a political move to support Tesla? The US government has long spent billions of dollars on specialized armored vehicles. Models such as the Humvee or MRAP have proven their protection and strength in combat environments. However, the appearance of the Cybertruck on the selection list has surprised many. An electric vehicle, originally designed for the commercial market, is now proposed as a vehicle for security and defense missions. This immediately sparked controversy over the rationality and practical effectiveness of this investment. Some people believe that this is a strategic move, taking advantage of Tesla's modern technology to modernize the security force, reducing dependence on fossil fuels. However, many people also question whether this deal is part of the close relationship between the Trump administration and Elon Musk to support Tesla's further expansion into the military field. Is this a real technological step forward or just a politically motivated decision? Cybertruck and its potential in the military field. Previously, Tesla was known as a leading electric vehicle company in the world with civilian car lines such as Model S, Model X or Model 3. But few people expected that Cybertruck, a product designed for the commercial market, could be targeted by the US government with the potential to serve in the security and military fields. The main reason why the Tesla Cybertruck is being considered lies in its special design technology and manufacturing materials. The body is made of 30x cold-rolled ultra-hard stainless steel, a high-strength material, which helps the Cybertruck withstand small-caliber bullets better than conventional commercial vehicles. In addition, this model is also equipped with bulletproof glass, helping to protect passengers from surprise attacks. However, despite its strong armor, the Cybertruck is still far from specialized military armored vehicles such as the Humvee or MRAP. These vehicles are specifically designed to withstand heavy weapons, including large-caliber machine guns, grenades, and even improvised explosive devices, IEDs. Meanwhile, the Cybertruck was originally built for personal and civilian use, so even with upgraded armor, it is still uncertain whether it can withstand harsh combat conditions. In addition, the Cybertruck has never been tested on the actual battlefield. A military vehicle needs to be not only resilient, but also flexible, mobile, and durable in a variety of harsh conditions. This raises the question, can the Cybertruck really compete with tried and tested military vehicles? Cybertruck's advantages in the military. Although controversial, the Cybertruck does have certain advantages if deployed in the military. One of the most prominent advantages of the Cybertruck is its ability to operate on electricity, which helps reduce dependence on fossil fuels, an important factor in modern military strategy. Traditional military vehicles mainly run on diesel or gasoline, which means they need a continuous fuel supply system on the battlefield. These supply convoys often become the primary targets of attack in conflicts, making maintaining fuel supplies a major challenge. If the Cybertruck can operate entirely on electricity, this could help the military reduce logistical pressure while increasing its ability to operate independently for long periods of time. In addition, Tesla has developed an advanced battery system that can maintain power for days without refueling. If combined with mobile charging stations or solar charging technology, the Cybertruck could become a self-sufficient tactical vehicle, increasing mobility and flexibility in long-term missions. Another advantage of the Cybertruck is its AI technology system and autonomous sensors. Tesla has already developed an autopilot system with advanced self-driving capabilities. And if further upgraded, it could support security missions such as reconnaissance, patrolling, and military transportation without direct human intervention. This is an important factor in modern warfare, where the use of unmanned vehicles can help reduce casualties and increase combat effectiveness. Finally, the Cybertruck has lower operating costs than fossil-fueled military vehicles. Traditional armored vehicles are not only expensive, but also consume a lot of fuel and require frequent maintenance. Meanwhile, the Cybertruck's electric motor has fewer moving parts, which helps reduce breakdowns and prolongs its operating life. According to analysis, if deployed on a large scale, the Cybertruck could save the U.S. government millions of dollars each year in fuel and maintenance costs alone. However, despite its many advantages, the Cybertruck still faces major challenges. Tesla's battery technology, while advanced, can be affected by harsh weather conditions, especially in areas with extreme temperatures. In addition, Tesla needs to prove that the Cybertruck can withstand strict military standards. From the ability to withstand heavy weapons to operating effectively on complex terrain. Cybertruck's autonomous technology and security capabilities. One of the reasons why the Tesla Cybertruck is a potential candidate for the military is its autonomous technology and intelligent security protection system. Tesla has developed the autopilot system, which allows the vehicle to operate without a driver in certain conditions. If further upgraded, the Cybertruck can become an autonomous combat support vehicle, which can be used for patrolling, reconnaissance or military transport missions without direct human control. This can help reduce risks for soldiers, especially in dangerous missions such as entering enemy territory or moving in combat environments. In addition, the Cybertruck can be equipped with AI sensors and 360-degree scanning radar, helping to detect threats from a long distance. If an attacker approaches, the automatic warning system can trigger defensive measures, such as automatically defogging the bulletproof glass, sending out a jamming signal, or quickly moving away from the danger zone. This is an advantage that traditional military vehicles cannot achieve. Another important factor is the Cybertruck's electronic warfare capabilities. In the high-tech era, cyberattacks can be just as dangerous as physical threats. A modern military vehicle not only needs to protect its occupants, but also needs to be able to withstand cyberattacks such as GPS hacking, electromagnetic pulse, EMP, attacks, or jamming of communication systems. Tesla can equip the Cybertruck with military data encryption and advanced anti-hacking technologies, allowing it to still operate even when attacked by cyberattacks. If the U.S. government combines Tesla's autonomous driving technology with SpaceX's Starlink satellite network, they could create a highly accurate remote-controlled military vehicle system that can maintain communication even in areas without regular signals. This could be a major step forward in the U.S. defense strategy. However, for the Cybertruck to truly become a reliable security vehicle, Tesla will need to prove that these technologies can operate reliably in combat environments. Not just features for commercial vehicles. Cybertruck's driving performance and cost advantages. One of the factors that makes the U.S. government consider the Cybertruck is its superior driving performance and lower operating costs compared to traditional military vehicles. The Cybertruck is capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2.9 seconds. Much faster than conventional armored vehicles. This could be a huge advantage in missions that require high speeds, such as escaping from dangerous areas or performing quick response missions. In addition, the Cybertruck is equipped with a four-wheel drive system and strong off-road capabilities, allowing it to move flexibly on rough terrain without encountering too many obstacles. This makes the Cybertruck an attractive option for special missions. In terms of cost, the Cybertruck has a big advantage over fossil fuel-powered military vehicles. A traditional military armored vehicle is not only expensive, but also consumes a large amount of fuel and requires frequent maintenance. Meanwhile, electric vehicles like the Cybertruck have significantly lower maintenance costs, thanks to a simpler electric motor system and fewer moving parts than internal combustion engines. If deployed on a large scale, the Cybertruck could save the U.S. government millions of dollars each year in fuel and maintenance costs alone. However, despite its many cost and performance advantages, the Cybertruck still needs to prove that it can perform well in real combat conditions. If it cannot meet strict military standards, no matter how much cost savings it makes, it will not be able to become a reliable military vehicle. Challenges and limitations of Cybertruck in the military field. Although Tesla Cybertruck has many advantages in technology and operating costs, many experts are still skeptical about its ability to adapt to harsh military environments. Below are the major challenges that Cybertruck must face if it wants to become part of the U.S. military. Resistance to heavy weapons. Cybertruck is advertised with 30x stainless steel armor, which can withstand small arms fire. However, on the battlefield, Armored vehicles often face much more powerful weapons such as heavy machine guns, armor-piercing bullets, grenades and improvised explosive devices, IEDs. Specialized military vehicles such as MRAPs are specially designed with a V-shaped chassis to minimize the impact of explosions from below the vehicle, something that Cybertruck is not equipped with. Without design improvements, Cybertruck could become a vulnerable target in real-life combat situations. Ability to operate in extreme weather conditions. Another major challenge is battery system performance. Electric vehicles often struggle to operate in extreme weather conditions such as extreme cold or heat. In war zones with harsh conditions such as the deserts of the Middle East or the icy Arctic, battery performance can be significantly degraded, reducing the vehicle's operating range. Without advanced temperature management technology, the Cybertruck will have difficulty maintaining stable performance on the battlefield. Cyberattack resistance. The Cybertruck is equipped with advanced software systems and can be controlled remotely. However, in the context of high-tech warfare, this vehicle can become a target for cyberattacks. If the control system is compromised by hackers, opponents can disable the vehicle, change its route, or even take control. To fix this, Tesla will need to develop military-grade data encryption and more effective anti-hacking protection. Controversy over the transparency and political motives of the deal. One of the most controversial issues surrounding the deal is the Trump administration's true motive for investing $400 million in an armored Tesla Cybertruck. Many experts have questioned whether this is a strategic move to modernize the military, or just a political move to support Tesla and Elon Musk. Elon Musk's relationship with the Trump administration. Elon Musk had a fairly close relationship with the Trump administration during his first term. He has participated in many government meetings on technology and business development policies. The Trump administration's consideration of a lucrative contract for Tesla has many people questioning the transparency of this deal. If this deal is carried out, Tesla will enter the military field, an extremely potential but also risky market. This could help Tesla expand its scope of operations, not only stopping at civilian electric vehicles but also entering defense contracts worth billions of dollars. Despite the potential, the deal still leaves many unanswered questions. Is the Cybertruck really capable of replacing traditional military vehicles? Can Tesla upgrade the Cybertruck to meet strict military standards? Is this a revolutionary move or just a risky experiment? Is the deal the right decision or simply a political move? Only time will tell. If Tesla can overcome the Cybertruck's limitations and prove that electric vehicles can operate effectively in a military environment, it could be a game-changer for the armored vehicle industry. But if it fails, it could become one of the most controversial decisions in the history of U.S. military contracts.